ATX motherboards provide standardized size, expandability, multiple PCIe slots, better power delivery, and improved cooling support for high-performance desktop systems. My today's video is about top 5 best ATX motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte ATX motherboard. This AMD AM5 motherboard is built for next-generation performance, fully supporting Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, making it a future-ready platform for both gaming and productivity. With a robust 14+2+2 power phase design, it delivers stable and efficient power delivery even under heavy CPU loads, ideal for high-core processors and overclocking. The DDR5 support with 4 DMM slots ensures high memory bandwidth and scalability, allowing users to maximize system speed and multitasking capability. Advanced connectivity features like PCIe 5.0 bring ultra-fast GPU and storage performance, while 3.2 slots provide extensive high-speed NVMe SSD expansion options. Thermal management is well addressed with VRM and M.2 thermal guard solutions, helping maintain consistent performance under sustained workloads. Additional modern I/O like USB-C and sensor panel link enhances usability and customization for enthusiasts. Now our second product is ASUS ATX motherboard. This ASUS ROG Strix motherboard is a cutting-edge platform designed for advanced AI, computing, and high-performance workloads, fully supporting AMD, Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors on the AM5 socket. Built with intelligent control features like AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking, and AMP, it simplifies tuning while maximizing system efficiency and performance for both gamers and creators. Its powerful 18+2+2 power solution rated at 110A per stage, combined with dual ProCool 2 connectors, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, ensures exceptional stability for multi-core CPUs under heavy loads. Advanced ROG Strix overclocking technologies such as dynamic OC switcher, core flex, and PBO enhancement provide fine-grained performance control. Thermal design is equally impressive, featuring massive heat sinks, an integrated I/O cover, high-conductivity thermal pads, and an L-shaped heat pipe for efficient heat dissipation. Storage is future-ready with 3 PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots and 2 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, all actively cooled for sustained high-speed performance. Our third product is MSI ATX motherboard. This B850 MLG edition motherboard is a true high-end platform built for next-generation AMD, Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, delivering exceptional performance and stability. Its 14-duet rail power system with 80 SPS VRMs and Core Boost architecture ensures ultra-clean and efficient power delivery, making it highly capable for extreme multitasking and overclocking. Advanced FrozerGuard cooling enhances durability with 7W/MK MOSFET thermal pads, extra choke pads, and an extended heatsink design, while Easy M.2 Shield Frozr 2 keeps SSD temperatures under control for sustained performance. Memory support is outstanding, offering DDR5 SMT slots capable of extreme overclocking speeds beyond 8,400 metric tons per second. For graphics, the PCIe 5.0x 16 Steel Armor 2 slot provides maximum bandwidth for cutting-edge GPUs. Storage flexibility is excellent with 4 M.2 slots, including dual Gen 5 options. Connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5 gigabits per second LAN, and 20 gigabits per second USB-C, making it a powerhouse for enthusiasts and creators. Now number 4, ASRock ATX motherboard. This motherboard is engineered for extreme performance, combining advanced power delivery, high-speed connectivity, and superior thermal design for modern high-end systems. The 14+2+1 power phase design with Dr. MOS ensures highly efficient and stable power delivery, supporting demanding CPUs with smoother voltage regulation and improved overclocking headroom. High-quality 1000F durable capacitors further enhance electrical stability and long-term reliability, reducing ripple under heavy loads. For connectivity, dual USB 4 Type-C ports deliver next-generation transfer speeds and versatile support for high-bandwidth peripherals, making it ideal for creators and power users. Storage performance is outstanding with blazing PCIe Gen 5X 4 M.2 support, enabling ultra-fast NVMe SSD speeds for rapid boot times and data access. Thermal engineering is equally impressive, featuring a toolless multi-layer M.2 heatsink system along with an additional bottom M.2 heatsink, ensuring efficient heat dissipation across all storage drives. And our last choice is Inland ATX Motherboard. This AMD Ryzen 5 5500 and MSI A520M, a pro gaming bundle, delivers a solid entry-level to mid-range PC platform focused on reliable gaming performance and everyday productivity. The Ryzen 5 5500, with 6 cores and 12 threads, offers strong multitasking capability and smooth gameplay, boosted further by a 4.2 GHz max frequency and 19 MB cache. Its unlocked design allows overclocking potential, while the included Wraith Stealth cooler ensures adequate thermal control out of the box. With DDR4-3200 support, the system maintains stable and responsive memory performance, and it is well suited for popular esports titles capable of 100+ FPS when paired with a discrete GPU. The MSI A520M, a pro motherboard, provides a stable AM4 foundation with DDR4 support up to 4600 MHz, OC, a PCIe Gen 3 M.2 slot for fast NVMe storage, and essential expansion via SATA, and USB 3.2 Gen 1. Enhanced features like Core Boost, DDR4 Boost, and 2 ounces thickened copper PCB improve stability, efficiency, and long-term reliability for budget-conscious gamers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.